Metro by T-Mobile supports eSIM technology, offering a modern digital alternative to traditional physical SIM cards. An eSIM, or embedded SIM, is a digital SIM card that's built directly into your phone. Unlike traditional SIM cards, there's no physical card to insert or remove. The key difference is that traditional SIM cards are physical cards that can be lost or damaged, while eSIMs are permanently built into your device and activated electronically. eSIM technology offers several key benefits. First, easier device setup since there's no physical SIM card to handle. Second, dual SIM functionality allows you to have two phone lines on one device. Third, eSIM provides convenient options for international travel, making it easy to switch carriers when abroad. Finally, it enables seamless switching and plan activation without visiting a store. Instead of inserting a physical card, eSIM works by downloading an electronic profile directly to your device. This profile contains all the information needed to connect you to the Metro by T-Mobile network. This digital approach eliminates the need for physical SIM cards while providing all the same connectivity features, plus additional benefits like dual SIM capability. Before getting your Metro by T-Mobile eSIM, you need to ensure your device is compatible and network unlocked. There are three convenient ways to activate your Metro by T-Mobile eSIM: online through their website, by calling customer care, or by visiting a store. The activation process begins by connecting your device to Wi-Fi and accessing your phone's settings menu. Next, go to your phone's settings and look for options like Add SIM, Add eSIM, or Download a SIM. You'll then scan the QR code provided by Metro by T-Mobile. Position the QR code within the camera frame to capture it. After scanning, you'll see a setup prompt. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and activate your eSIM profile. The final step shows the complete activation process across multiple screens. Once activated, test your eSIM by making a call or using mobile data. On some Samsung, Google Pixel, and Motorola devices, the eSIM may automatically download and activate during your initial device setup, making the process even more convenient.